Hi there, welcome to today's video on Introduction to Medical Coding. Whether you are someone considering a career in healthcare or just curious about how hospitals and doctors manage patient records, medical coding is an essential part of the system. Today, we'll break down the basic of medical coding, what it involves, and why it's so important. Let's get started. So, what exactly is medical coding? Medical coding is the transformation of healthcare diagnosis, procedures, services, and equipment into universal medical alphanumeric codes. These codes are pulled from medical records and used to create a simplified system of communication that makes it easy to track patient data. Medical coding is like the language of healthcare, ensuring everyone, from doctors to insurance companies, understands the patient's health conditions, treatments, and outcomes. It's an essential step in getting insurance claims processed correctly, billing patients, and ensuring healthcare providers get paid. For example, if a patient comes in with a broken bone, the diagnosis will be coded as a specified alphanumerical code that translates the condition into a standardized format. Similarly, procedures like surgeries or lab tests each have their own specific code. You might wonder, why is medical coding so important? Well, accurate coding ensures that healthcare providers and insurance companies have clear and consistent information about a patient's treatment. It helps in processing claim efficiently, avoiding errors, and ensuring timely payments. Inaccurate coding, on the other hand, can lead to denied claims, delayed reimbursements, or even legal issues. That's why coders play a crucial role in the healthcare ecosystem. Imagine hospitals dealing with millions of patients without standardization, keeping track of treatments, diagnosis, and billing would be chaotic. Worldwide, the medical coding system streamlines healthcare services, making it easier to share information across different departments, facilities, and even countries. It's the backbone of medical data system. Now, let's dive into the different types of coding system used in healthcare. The most widely known coding systems are: first is ICD, also known as International Classification of Disease. This is used to track diseases, health conditions, and cause of death globally. Second is CPT, also known as Current Procedural Terminology. This focuses on procedures and services provided by healthcare professionals, such as surgeries, checkups, or diagnostic tests. Third is HCPCS, Healthcare Common Procedure Coding System. This system is primarily used for Medicare and includes services, supplies, and equipments not covered by CPT. This system ensures uniformity and accuracy. For example, if a doctor in New York and another in London treat the same conditions, they'll both use the same ICD code for it. Now, you might be wondering, how do you become a medical coder? The good news is the path to becoming a medical coder doesn't necessarily require a college degree. However, specialized training and certifications are important. Many coders start by completing certification programs in medical coding, which usually takes less than a year. There are certifications like the Certified Professional Coder (CPC), Certified Coding Specialist (CCS), and Certified Inpatient Coder (CIC). These certifications are offered by different organizations and focus on coding for outpatient, inpatient, or specific areas of healthcare. Training programs focuses on medical terminology, anatomy, and the specific coding systems we talked about earlier. And of course, attention to detail is key. You need to be precise when assigning codes, as accuracy is everything in this field. So, what does a day in the life of a medical coder looks like? Most medical coders work in healthcare facilities like hospitals, clinics, or even remotely. Their main responsibility is to review patient records, assign appropriate codes, and ensure all documentation aligns with the treatment and procedures carried out. So, there you have it. A brief introduction to medical coding. It's a vital part of the healthcare industry, ensuring that patient care is properly documented and built. Whether you are considering a career in medical coding or just want to understand how healthcare system works behind the scenes, coding plays a huge role in keeping everything running smoothly.